Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to convert pictures or images of scanned documents into Excel spreadsheets. So the tool I'm going to be using for today is called FreeOCR.AI. You can go ahead and go to this website, just type in FreeOCR.AI into your web browser and you should be able to see this web page. So this is the landing page and you can convert images into text documents or text files, but we're going to want to move over to the table tab. So at the top, just go ahead and click on table. Once you're here, you should be able to select an image. In this case, I'm going to be uploading this one right here. So as you can see, it's handwritten and it's a table. I'm going to go ahead and click on extract tables here at the bottom right. And after a few seconds, it should show us the proper output. There we go. As you can see, we can even cross-reference this. So this is the data that it's extracted. If we compare it, we can see that it is 100% accurate. Now we can download this as a CSV file or as an Excel file, and we can use our computer to edit those files. So this is a really great tool to have under your belt if you're working with a lot of documents and need to suddenly digitize them. This can save you a whole lot of time. Instead of having to manually type out the document, you can just take a picture, upload it to the website, and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.